We have a question for you. What did you learn at the show, or what did you really enjoy that was something that you're able to take away and bring back to your business? We're really curious, and we hope that we can provide more of this activity in the future. So what did you learn?
I love the experience. I try to make it here every year. I love the one that's here in Atlanta. You see all the new machines, all the new concepts, all the new tools. I'm telling you, you can't beat it. The experience in Atlanta, you need to show up. I really like Melody was showing some of the side matching on color repair. I really like that. I love her dies and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, the new electric truck mounts out. Rob Allen's got his new truck mount here. I mean, there's just all kind of things, and plus the networking. I see people I never get to see. We talk business concepts, we talk advertising. It's a great place to be.
One, networking with people in the industry that we have worked with over the last 26 years. A lot of great relationships, and it was just a lot of fun seeing people.
Have great conversations with other business owners, great conversations with some of the exhibitors. So I've learned a ton, but bringing a guy that's been with me 12 years, this has revived his passion for what we do, and he's super excited to be here. He's learned a lot, and I feel like we're going back with just a renewed sense of valuing what we do and how we serve people and just what this industry has to offer.
Opportunity to come to the experience. It's my first time being here. However, there's lots of new innovation products and systems that is very interesting, and I will definitely be taking that information back to my place in Cayman.
I love this place because I get to stop by in the morning. I got to watch Barry Costa doing a little bit of carpet repair with a crowd of people, and if you haven't checked him out, he's amazing. And I got to get a little time with the secret new RX-20, so if you are at the show, you definitely want to check that out. And of course, stop by, see House Call Pro.
Now I am back again with my son Jacob, who's our lead technician, and just really enjoying the classes that it has to offer, the vendors, talking to them, even if they don't relate to our business, just picking up new networking skills and information, and just thoroughly enjoying it.
Had a really great time at the show this year. Mason introduced us to literally every single person at the show, and I made 97 new best friends this year, and I'm pretty excited about it.
Having a great time in Atlanta at the Experience Conference, meeting up with some great industry friends, and taking in a lot of great educational seminars, learning a ton. And here at the trade show floor, visiting some of the best distributors.
We've learned a lot. This is a great experience.
We're looking forward to providing great opportunities like the ones you just talked about, and we're looking forward to seeing you again soon.